Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make form paper. First, let's gather our materials. You'll want to select a suitable paper stock, perhaps 80-pound text for standard forms or 65-pound cover for more durable options. Next, choose your design software. Popular choices include Adobe InDesign or even Microsoft Word. Don't forget your printer, a reliable paper cutter, and a ruler for precise measurements. Understanding the form's purpose is crucial before you begin designing. Now, let's dive into designing your form. A clear and logical layout is key, guiding users effortlessly through each section. Think about incorporating your brand's logo and consistent color schemes to maintain a professional appearance. Using uniform fonts and text sizes across the entire document ensures excellent readability. Remember to clearly define specific fields for text input, checkboxes, or even signature lines, making the form intuitive and user-friendly for everyone. With your design complete, it's time for printing and those crucial finishing touches. Always print a test page first to meticulously check for any alignment issues, color accuracy, and overall print quality. Utilize a high-quality printer, ensuring your ink or toner settings are optimized for crisp results. Once printed, precisely cut your forms using a paper cutter or guillotine for clean edges. For multi-page forms, consider binding or stapling them neatly to keep everything organized and professional. To ensure your form paper is truly effective, here are some valuable tips. Strive to keep your forms concise, ideally fitting all necessary information onto a single page to minimize user effort. Always provide clear, straightforward instructions for completing each section, leaving no room for confusion. Incorporate ample white space throughout the design. This prevents clutter and significantly enhances visual appeal. Finally, thoroughly review and test your form with a few different people to catch any potential issues before final distribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.